Hello friends and family. I'm out here in a Manitoba winter blizzard and I am walking out in it because I love walking out in rough weather. It just makes me feel so alive. You ever watch that movie Forrest Gump? Yeah, then you kind of know what I mean. All right? Hey, cheers. We'll see you soon. Take care. I've literally gone for 10-mile runs in the middle of snowstorms in the past. With ankle weights on. Yeah, it's quite the blizzard out here, eh? And I catch the mailman that I passed. Yeah, so just had to share this with you. Hey, just a quick bit on my walk back home after getting all toasty, baked and primed at my friend's place. I chose to walk back home because this is where the action is. Cheers, friends. See you in a bit. Oh, I just couldn't resist it. So I decided to take you with me. Here we are in a nice Manitoba blizzard. Mine is probably 15, wind chill minus 30. It's killer cold out here. But I'm hiking, I'm giving or practically running through the deep snow. And this is deep snow, my friends. You see, we're right in it here. Real snow, right here. Fresh, 3 inches of deep snow right here. Well, 3 inches on top of 2 feet. It's hard for you to see the snowbank, I think. But anyways, what I really wanted to show you was this. We are going to do a snow angel together. All right, here we go. Woo! They think I fell down, but I didn't. I'm doing this on purpose. Okay, here we go. Back up we go. All right. Decently covered in snow. And can we see the snow angel? Yes, we can. I hope you can. There it is. Yeah. Woohoo! Rayc, the winter wonderland of Winnipeg. Killer cold or a lot of freaking fun. Cheers, friends and family. Hi. I don't know if you can tell like I can, but the snow is thickening up really quite a lot. Yeah, and so the flakes are getting really thick. Can you see that? It's really cool. I love it. As a kid, as a very young man, I used to drive and sell fruit with my dad and for my dad. During the winter holidays, the Christmas holidays, we'd drive the Okanagan fruit up to northern Alberta through the winter storms. For that 2 weeks there, we'd bring in $40,000 or $50,000 sharing Okanagan fruit with those people up in northern Alberta during the Christmas season. Cheers, friends and family. Winter. Can you see the shine? Can you see the sparkle? Maybe from the same angle that I'm looking at it from. Anyways, see ya. Extremely difficult to believe, but someone just gave me Tim Hortons coffee or steep tea steeped green tea. Yeah. You know, I didn't want to take it, but they said all the right stuff. They opened it up, it was brand new, they drank some right in front of me, so I took it. Here I am drinking it now, the last bit of my walk. Cheers, friends. The snow has calmed down a little, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, okay, we'll see you soon. Cheers. So, turns out the steep tea is freaking awesome. Yeah. Walking through the deep snow. Working up a sweat and good cardio. And drinking my green tea. Here comes a rare sight. You gotta check it out. Here we are at Cecil, and see that? We got a fleet. A freaking fleet of them coming down and plowing the road. Freaking me out, they're right here. Right here! I gotta back up a bit. I don't want to be plowed. I'm right against the building here. Yeah, they're out in full force. Getting the snow before it piles too high. That helps protect people's lives. Starting to get tuckered out. There's a lot of walking in this deep snow. Can you see that? Yeah. Anyways, very good friends of mine went to high school here. Tekvok, home of the Hornets, Tekvok High School here in Winnipeg. Downtown, North End, across from factories. Christie's Biscuit Factory. It's not a biscuit factory anymore. Some kind of factory, I don't know what. Sorry. Cheers, friends, family. Hi there. Finally I'm home and it's time to relax.